is about to go down. Today we're making a honey soy lime marinade for salmon that is going to get your energy to the next level. Let's cook. Make sure you stay to the end because you're going to want to see what it pairs perfectly with. I'm going to have all the ingredients listed with the measurements in the box, the comment section right down below, so you can know exactly what it is. So I'm going to go through it, but remember, if you ever get lost, just look down there and it's going to tell you exactly how much and also some sit times. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm only going to be using 8 simple ingredients. We got black pepper, we got shallots diced and minced preferably, but they can be diced just fine. Don't worry about the measurements, going to be in the comments below. We got some soy sauce, or you can use as an alternative if you're watching the amount of sodium. You can also use coconut aminos. We have a peanut oil, you can use a 1/4 cup. We have some fresh garlic. We're only going to be using about 2 to 3 cloves. You can also use the garlic paste because we're trying to be real here. If you're trying to fix this really fast, a late night, who is going to want to mince garlic up and maybe make your hand stink? We got garlic, we have ginger. You can use fresh ginger or you can use ginger powder. Take your pick. We got 2 tablespoons of sugar and we got 1/4 cup of lime juice. And as always, we gotta make sure we got a cutting board, we got our bowl, cutting board, the main star of the show, the salmon. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. Let's put this all together. What we're gonna do is combine all these in there, stir it up really good, and put it in a container for about 20 minutes. Gotta give a shout out to Bobby Flay. This is not my recipe. I repeat, this is not my recipe. I got this from Bobby Flay, tried it, loved it, made a few modifications for it to make it work for Happy Meals. Not complaining one bit. Don't worry about the sugar, it's gonna get cooked off. It's just gonna give that caramelization on the fish, give it a really great cut crust. You can also use this on shrimp as well. And with this recipe, clean your fish off. I know some people are against that. Make sure you clean your fish off. You can use frozen fish as well. Frozen salmon, frozen whatever works as well. We picked a heartier fish. We could have, there's other heartier fish you could have picked, but what was readily available to me was salmon. Now we're just gonna put this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. All right, so we just get in the air fryer, it's preheated. Little tip here, little hack, put aluminum foil on the bottom of the pan, on the bottom of your air fryer. Makes life so much easier when you start doing cleanup. All right, so we got the salmon, just got put into the air fryer, and let's give this about 6 or 7 minutes. Everyone fixes their salmon a little differently. I like mine more of a little bit, not too well done. So, see you in a few minutes. And there we have it, lunch is served. We got this delicious salmon right here, made with the soy lime miso sauce. Actually doing a video on that. We got our delicious kale salad, we got some healthy fats here. We got lots of antioxidants, things that help you stay young, things that make your metabolism function even better and faster. Love this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, while you're here, check these other videos out.